Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Destiny back here again with another video. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and also make sure you hit that notification bell to keep up with all of my latest videos. Your girl is back on YouTube. Finally, I've been gone for way too long. This intro is actually filmed way past the time frame of the actual clips in this film because I forgot to film the intro. Let's not talk about it. But as you guys can tell from the title, today's video will be the BTS shots behind the scenes of my latest photo shoot for my birthday, my 19th birthday. Just turned 19, period. Yes, but if you haven't seen them, go on Instagram and go check those out. Then come back to here. Thank you. And this video will also be vlogging of me preparing for the actual photo shoot. So, you guys ready? Let's go ahead and get into the video.
I got pretty like a girl, and he got 5 stories to tell. I see both sides like
Good morning. Today is officially the day. It is June 14th and it is 6:59 right now, if you guys can see that. But let's get the show on the road, baby. We gotta go.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh?
I'm in the car and I'm headed to where the place is for my makeup to get done. But I just want to show y'all what I got this morning. I haven't eaten anything at all. But this morning, I needed this. Been up since 3 o'clock in the morning. She's tired.
I'm here and I'm outside my car right now. But I just wanted to I ain't sorry first because this don't make no sense. And she quick little before. Then popping though. Period. I know you good. I don't really sit around there like I listen to like Luke James. Kind of in a rush right now, but this to makeup. But I'm getting gas and I'm gonna get on the road and I'll talk to y'all when I get in the car. So look, y'all, I'm driving right now. So y'all, this is the makeup. This is the turtle. I'm gonna put more gloss on my eyelids because it look like some of it, like I don't know, I just wanted like a stronger gloss, and it feel like it's like the gloss kind of like soaking myself down. So I will see you guys at, if I'm gonna see you guys at 12 o'clock, y'all, show y'all my look. got the medley. Now I'm looking for the hair clips, the gold ones that you put in your hair. Got the hair clips. And now I gotta get the SIM card and the battery if they have one. I'm gonna not this time. Last thing I'm getting is earrings. 588. They just take diamond earrings because I just need studs because my outfit's blowing a lot. So I'm just gonna do stud earrings, and then I'm gonna get the SIM card. My camera printed out, so you may not get the footage for y'all, but I got my earrings, I got the hair clips, and I have the nail polish. Good. And then I'm getting a SIM card, and I'm getting ready to go and get dressed.
Working on a weekend like usual.
Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about, watch your mouth. Maybe got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on FBG, God forbid. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist doing front flip.
So thank you guys for watching. This is the end of the photo shoot, and I hope you guys like the pictures when they come out.
Life is good. You know what I mean?
So I'm not just getting home, but I just finished eating and things like that. And I'm getting ready to take off my makeup. I just wanted to do a quick video to let you guys know that I'm so psyched for these photos. Like, y'all don't understand. Like, I seen some of the pictures, they're not even edited. And mwah, like, I'm so excited. I'm glad I got to work with this photographer. He does really good work. And I don't know, I'm just proud of myself. And I'm proud of what I put together, what I styled. Everything that you will see is styled by me. I styled the entire thing. I've gotten, like, you know, opinions from other people, but I pretty much put everything together as far as my vision of what I wanted to wear. But yeah, I'm getting ready to take off my makeup. I'm so sad because it's so pretty. But I'm really sleepy. I'm running off like 5 hours of sleep. So I'm getting ready to go to sleep. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you can keep with all my videos that I post. Because the girl is back posting now, okay? We're going to be more consistent, you know. And also make sure you share to your mama, your dad, your best friend, whoever. The roaches on the floor, on the ceiling. Share. But I love you guys, and I will see you on the next video. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And with another video. Hold on, my hands. I want to love it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the notification bell.
My guy pretty like a girl, and he got 5 stories to tell. I see both sides like Chanel, see on both sides like Chanel.